Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Shopify tutorial for beginners. Starting an online business is no longer about just having a website. It's about building a brand that lives across social media, AI search engines like ChatGPT, and your own storefront. In this video, I'll be giving you a guide for beginners. We're going to go from a blank screen to a fully functional store. We'll cover the new dashboard, how to use the Sidekick AI to build your storefront in seconds, adding products with over 2,000 variants, and setting up your payments so you can actually get paid. By the end of this video, you won't just know where the buttons are. You have a professional store ready for its first customer. Also, if you want to try out Shopify yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start your online store today for just $1 and launch your e-commerce business and start selling today. It's the best deal to get your business off the ground without the upfront risk. So once you've used the link in the description and signed up, you'll land in the Shopify Admin Center. This is your command center as well. On the left hand side, you have your primary navigation. You have your home button right here, which is where we are, and this gives you a snapshot of your daily sales and the brand new Sidekick. Of course, as a beginner, this is what you see. Through use of the AI embedded into Shopify, the AI will give you proactive insights, such as telling you things like your blue t-shirts are trending on TikTok before you even notice it. And then still here on the left side panel, you have orders. This is where you manage fulfillment. You can now generate separate payment requests for partial shipment, which is huge for your customer trust. Then you have products. This is the heart of your store. Click add product and you see a new expanded category, a new expanded catalog capacity. For the title, we're just going to say wireless headphones. And then for the description, you can of course write things manually, or you can come over here where you can see generate text. Once you hover over it, click on drop down, and here it says features and keywords. So we're going to go ahead and say recyclable plastic or recyclable materials. So right here we have recyclable materials, high quality bass treble balance. So this is basically us asking the AI to generate a good description for our product. Then you can also see here tone, and it's currently under expert. We're going to leave it at expert, click on generate. Great, so we have the text right here, and this is something we would have spent lots of time thinking about. So because we have this, of course you could decide to generate again, but we're going to click on keep, and there you have it. And then the next thing you'll need to do is to add media. So we expect that you have the media right here. So you just simply need to click on upload new, and it will take you to your local drive where you need to select your product. So you can see that we have our media, and in your case, you need to add more pictures because more angles will help your prospective customers to see it before they buy it. So you want to give that good visual experience of your product. So we have the title, we have the description, and we have the media. The next thing we'll need to do is to have the price. So we could put this, say, at $35. And here for our inventory, you can see here quantity. The inventory tracked button is toggled on, so we're going to say 500. And then of course you could decide to add your SKU, barcode, or sell when out of stock option. Of course, if you're selling when out of stock, you need to be conscious about providing these products even when they are not in store. That means having a backup option of receiving stock. Then of course you have your shipping options, which you'll need to set, such as the product weight, the metric for measuring the weight itself, etc. And then you have the variants. So you can click on the plus button and say color. You have black, and we can decide to add another color. So we have some options right here. We choose blue, brown, and gray. Good. With that, we're going to click on done. And then here you can see black, blue, brown, and gray. And these are the different prices. Now you can see that for the black, it's currently 500 available. You could also decide to put the same quantity in the inventory right there. So at the bottom, you can see total inventory at shop location 2000. And this is a sum of these numbers. So as we scroll down, you kind of have your summary of the meta fields. You have the color, the audio activity, connectivity technology, earphone features, headphone style. Of course, you could decide to add some more options right here. Battery type, for example, you could add that. And once you click on it, you can say rechargeable because it's a wireless headphone, and then we'll click away. Basically, you want to put in what applies to your product. At the bottom, you can see search engine listing. My store, of course, this is the name of the store. You'll need to change that. And if we click on edit, you'll be able to change the page title, meta description, and URL handle. Of course, you can see the price, $35, and this is exactly what we put in our pricing. Now, once you're done with everything, you can click on save. And you can see here, congratulations, you added your first product. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to use Shopify yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start your online store for just $1 and launch your e-commerce business and start selling today. And then you have the online store. This is the most important menu for beginners. Go ahead and click on themes right here, and by default, you have the Horizon theme. This is Shopify's most advanced Horizon Foundation theme, featuring built-in animations and lightning-fast WebP image support. Don't miss the Sidekick AI icon at the top right corner. This is it right here. You can click on it and literally type "Make my header background transparent" or add a trust badge under the Add to Cart button, and the AI will execute the change in real time. Now let's head over to the theme editor. Now, of course, once you're on the online store, you can click on Edit Theme. Now, this is where you can customize your theme. On the left side, you see your sections and blocks. Now, Shopify introduced block generation. You can ask the AI to build high-converting hero section for organic coffee, and it will generate the layout, the copy, and even the stock imagery for you. Now, the next thing we'll need to show you is in the main dashboard. So you're going to click on exit at the top right corner, and it's going to take us right here. We're going to go over to settings, which can be found at the bottom left corner of your side panel. And then we're going to go over to payments. Now, if you're in a supported region, Shopify Payments is your best bet. It eliminates third-party transaction fees and gives your customers access to Shop Pay, which now shows the last 4 digits of their card right on the bottom for a faster one-tap checkout experience. Now, a store isn't fully set up until it can ship. Navigate to your settings once again. Of course, we're still here, and then you're going to go over to shipping and delivery. So click on it, and this is where you can set up all your shipping details. Now, depending on your country, Shopify has also integrated Uber Direct for same-day local delivery, which is a game changer if you have local inventory. For everyone else, you want to set up your shipping zones. So right here, these are the sections which you'll need to explore to properly set up your shipping preferences. Now, the next thing we'll need to click on under settings is market. You can find it right here, so just go ahead and click on it. Now, this is where you can manage international sales. Shopify now has auto translation for forms in over 19 languages. So if a customer visits from France, your contact forms and pop-ups will translate instantly based on their browser language. You could also set market-specific pricing so you can charge more in the UK to cover higher shipping costs without affecting your US prices. Finally, the boring but essential legal pages. You're going to go over to settings once again, and under settings, you'll need to click on policies. So right here, you can set your policies, such as return rules. If you want to turn it on, you just simply need to go to manage, click on it, and make your settings. And then you also have written policies. Now, policies are important to avoid dispute and always be on the right side of the law. You have return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, and contact information. You can also see the status for each of these options, and some of them are required, such as your contact information. Now, the very last step before you go live is the password protection. By default, your store is hidden, so you'll need to go over to your online store and go to Preferences. So let's do that. So we're back on the dashboard. We're going to click on Online Store, and here you can see Themes, Pages, and Preferences. You want to click on Preferences. And right here you have password protection. Of course, you'll need to be on a specific plan in order to have an access to the toggle right here. Now, the moment you hit save, your store will be live to the world. Now, here's a final pro tip. You want to make use of the Shopify mobile app. Now, the mobile Sidekick AI now supports voice commands that can literally talk to your phone and say, change my homepage banner to the winter sales image. And it's done while you're walking your dog. Shopify has moved from being just a website builder to an intelligent operating system. It predicts what your customers want, automates your marketing, and puts your product everywhere they spend their time. Don't overthink the design. Focus on getting your first product live and let the AI help you optimize as you grow. If you're ready to build your dream, use my link down below in the description to start your Shopify store for just $1. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.